In this video, you will learn how to effectively use the Binance Earn program to generate passive income through various investment products. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand how to navigate the platform, select suitable Earn products, and track your earnings. Begin by navigating to the Binance website and logging into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once you are logged in, locate the main menu at the top of the screen. From this menu, find and click on the Earn option. This section provides a variety of products designed to help you earn income passively. After accessing the Earn section, you will see multiple earning products such as Simple Earn, Locked Earn, and Launch Pool. It is essential to review the various options available to you. Each product has distinct features, including different coins, risk levels, and minimum requirements for participation. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these offerings to identify which aligns with your investment strategy. Next, select the Earn product that best matches your risk tolerance and investment goals. Review the annual percentage yield, or APY, as well as the duration and lockup rules associated with that product. Choose the specific coin you want to deposit and enter the amount you wish to commit. Before proceeding, carefully confirm the subscription terms to ensure you understand the investment conditions. Additionally, be aware of any early redemption rules that may apply to your selected product. Once you have confirmed your subscription, you will activate the earning potential on your assets. To monitor your earnings, return to the Earn dashboard, where you can track your interest accumulation. Pay attention to the frequency of interest distribution, which can vary by product. When the lockup period concludes, or if flexible redemption options are available, you can redeem your funds. It is advisable to plan your redemptions based on your financial needs and current market conditions. Understanding your earnings history is crucial for reviewing the performance of your investments. Keep in mind that it is wise to avoid locking funds that you may need urgently. By being strategic with your redemptions and monitoring your earnings regularly, you can maximize the benefits of the Binance Earn program. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.